Okay. Good day everyone. We'll continue on with another sample problem na pod. We need to determine the area of the region bounded by the curves y is equal to x squared and y is equal to square root of x. Okay. Now, kasi ito, basically, ang kung nagyapon niya, general nagyapon to, we need to solve for the points of intersection ani siya, or ato i-define ang boundaries ani niya. Intersection. And I will have unsa y is equal to y ba? So y x squared siya diri is equal to y 1/2 ba? Square root is 1/2 man. Basically ato ra man siya solve din dani. I will have 3/2 is equal to 1. Yeah, I will continue solving this problem and I will arrive with unsa na sa dayon. X cube is equal to 1 ba? Kunya kung siya ikuan din cube root na kun siya, it supposedly ano ni siya ba, positive and minus 1. But we have another concern din if mo siya investigate kaning negative 1 diri, can be positive or negative 1, pero imo siya gamit ang negative 1 din sa tuang square root kay unsa magawas imaginary number, patay ta diha. So ato na siyang makuha din more or less ngana na lang gid ba, x is equal to 1. But ang isa na sad sa issue na pud na niya kay unsa 0 ba, ang 0 na pud na niya mo may mugkuan ali kanang ang may mo na pud issue ni niya kay unsa yang pares na pud be. Tanaw ang equations na to din kung 0 ka to i-input unsa to makuha 0 ra gyapon ba. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. So we can just say na aside from this, although dili siya kanang conventional kina way sa pag-solve na niya, maka-conclude po na to, x is equal to 0 is still another point of intersection. Okay? Now, sa ngayon na case sa dayon, we continue on. Let's try out at x is equal to kuando. When x is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, I have kini siya diri. I can choose another curve diri which is y is equal to x squared. When x is equal to 1, squared siya diri, y is still 1. Okay? When y is equal to square root of x, 1 ako ibutang dara, tama na siya, square root of 1 positive minus 1 din ta. Okay? But naman tayo mga kwan diri, so 1 ra tong kwan diri, 1 ra man ni siya, so 1 ra gyapon natong gamiton. Same ra gyapon na ruling atong first na to na problem. Okay? So isa ka point of intersection diri would be 1 1. Okay? So 1 1. Okay, when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 squared, y is equal to 0. X is equal to 0, y is equal to square root of 0 ba? So y effectively is equal to 0. So this point dayon is when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Cannot be denied na. Okay. So much for points of intersection. Ato naman ako ang points of intersections diri. Ang next na nato nakuha ni goal, step na sa game is to graph ba? Kana na graph. Table ani siya ha for y is equal to square root of x. What is x and y? pwede man ta magkuan diri, we can use siguro we can use 6 points daw kuno to define this. Now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, we can use the table na sad na function kay para ma-solve na to ang mga values ni x and ni y ani. Okay, siguro in between naman ato na ma-define din atong boundaries na points of intersection niya 0 to 1. So 0.0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, and 1.0. Table ni mo na siya, and ang manggawas na na siya kay 0, 0.4472, 0.6324, 0.7745, 0.8944, and then 1.0. Okay, that is for kana siya na kwan. Ako sa ni siya i-plot ha, kadot lang. Okay, so basically muna siyang itsura din sa tuwang plot niya. Okay, this is just y is equal to square root of x. Okay, okay, so kanina sa lang isa na pod when x is y is equal to x squared, ako makuha na sa na values na siya 0, 0.04, 0.16, pwede sa siya 0.36, and then 0.64, finally 1.0. Okay, singa nang yung kanya diri ang yung numbers if inyo siya table dayon. Okay, ito lang. Okay, so this is the plot of our curve na dayon. Okay, now I think it's quite obvious na din asa atong lower ug upper din the kansa abi ato sang tanawon una before magkuan sa tana. Let's try to draw the strip sa ana niya. Okay, so ang iyang kuanda na with this dx nata siya kuanda yon length niya. Wa pa nato din nato ma-determine pa. But ato na makita diri visually na inspection na siya that our upper na kuanda diri na y is equal to sa this. Okay, kini siya. This is the upper na kuan dimension niya. Ang yaring lower dayon that is kanisang dinhi, ba? This is the upper, and this is the lower. So it comes to mind na din dara na ang atuang length ani siya is just equal to sa y upper minus y lower. Okay, in which atuan na din siyang makuanan diri area is just equal to the integral of lower na to a limit. This is kuan na to dx. So this is 0 to 1. 0 siya niya. 1 ang itong x din diri. Ba? And this is just y upper minus y lower. Y upper is equal to square root of x. Minus lower na to diri squared. That is dx. Okay? So if we are to solve for that na dayon dara, we will find out that the area na siya is equal to 1/3 square units. Okay, gets niyo? Okay, gusto ka na kung siya ikuan ba? I tried solving this using vertical strips ba? But what if we try using kuno horizontal na strip ani? Ba? I think it's still possible though. Ako ni siyang ikuan, i-invert na ko ang iyang rules ani siya. And I will have x is equal to square root of y. Okay? Positive and minus square root of y. kanisad siya diri, I can say x is equal to y squared. But if we are to check out this curve here, x is equal to positive, negative, square root of y. Unsa tong gamiton ani siya na kwan, na value. You just need to do with the positive lang. Okay? Kay diri raman ang ato ang domain. Dili man diri. Kay non-existent naman na siya. So I have something like this. Then okay. So x is equal to square root of y and x is equal to y squared. Now, ang next sa nato kanon dari, let's try drawing out the horizontal strip. Okay? So we try drawing this horizontal strip. This is like this na dayon, ba? Ang ako na sa counting ani saya kay from here paingon din sabi from this kon din paingon sa kanina axis. That is y upper na to, okay? And this is the y lower. Okay? So in other words, kani siya na curve din this is our y upper. X upper rather, okay? X lower dayon. X upper is this. X lower is that. So natingon na ni dayon na kwan idea, okay? Now, ako ni siyang i-extract dayon. I will have this. By the way, ang atong differential dari, this is dy. Okay, so this is dy and this is just x upper minus x lower. Okay? Differential area is equal to unsa? X upper minus x lower dy. Integrating this, I will have unsa? A. The integral then diri, we're integrating from in terms of y. So, y1, y2. Okay? y1 is equal to asa ta nagsugod? 0. Asa ta nag-endog integrate? Upper 1. Okay? So, x upper, that is y squared. X lower, that is y 1/2 multiplied by dy. Okay? So, that would be equal to unsa na dayon. If I were to integrate this, perform the integration process, I would still have 1/3 square units. Okay? So, ato makita din diri ba? Na-solve na to ni siyang kanina particular problem in terms sa iyahang kwan, horizontal o vertical strips, and still the same nagyapon siyang result ni gawas, ba? So what does that mean? It means that regardless kung horizontal or vertical strips inyong panggamiton, same nagyapon ang answer mo gawas. But the catch here is ang difficulty na dayon sa pag-implement sa horizontal o vertical strips kung sa mga gamiton. Because it's a case-to-case basis man. Ba? First problem kay horizontal strips. Dali ra to na solve. But if ato siya vertical, it could be mas lisod. But still possible. Okay? Second problem, vertical strips atong gigamit. Kuha na to. Pero kung horizontal strips na to siya, papatakabalo kung makuha na to siya or dili. Ba? So it's possible na lisod pud siya. Kanina problem din ato siya nakuha horizontal ug vertical strips, so dili man siya dako na issue, dali ra man gyapon siya imuon, so ato na prove din regardless kung unsa yung pilion na strip diha, if everything is correctly implemented, the problem the answer should also be correct, should also be the same. But ang problema lang din na kaya level of difficulty sa pag-implement sa kana na klaseng idea. Okay? na klaseng technique, solution set. So kamoy bahala kung saan inyo kuan. There is ang kuan na gid na, there is no way na inyo siya ma-tell beforehand kung saan pagkuan solbad. Siguro mag-gain na ninyo na if sige mo solve og dagan problems ninyo nani. But anyway, nyari na siya ma-find out dito na, uy, try ko horizontal step una. Something does not feel right. So mo try din kag vertical strip. Makuha na yung vertical strip. So vertical strip na yung solution. Or try kag vertical strip pero muna yung mga kuan dito na wa man ipadulungan na solution kay kuti kayo. So mo din ikaw mag-up na sa gagamit og horizontal strip. Okay? So ingana siya, it's a more trial and error process but na siya if dili siya ma-identify diretso. Anyway, that's ingana ang way pagkuan na pag-solve sa kanang area bounded by curves. Okay? Curve to curve, di lang ganang per axis. So tayo lang pag-solve og more problems. Okay? If you have any questions regarding this particular problem or this idea, concept, feel free to send me a message or comment on the post below. Thank you for listening.